This is the rigid RP330. Here we go. Oh, get out of the way here. We gotta turn it, make sure our fittings are all on there good. Okay, on. Yahtzee. Make sure we're in there. And then we gotta make sure we're on this one. Give it a little tuck. Little tick. That's it, folks. Say goodbye to old school sweating. Yep, with a cigarette in my mouth.
Some pressure to holy shit.
No leaks, people. See this? No leaks. We got it. Yes, we did. And that
Happy
concludes.
customer.
Happy customer right there. Yep. And that,
Sean Plumbing.
yep. And that concludes today's episode of Fuck Things Up.